Today I want to dive into the wonderful world of G2 Bionicle, specifically the masks. Let's count down the 5 best. But let's actually take it a step further. Let me show you some ways that you can use those masks in your own creations. Alright, let's do it. The 5th best G2 Bionicle mask, well, we're gonna start off with the ever amazing Skull Warrior, and this incredible mask. I mean, this design is just stunning. The details on the teeth, the hardcore look and feel, it's so evil. It's kind of badass. I've seen this bad boy inspire so many creations, from skeleton villains to evil emperors, and even a creation of Dr. Doom. Prixard uses all sorts of custom cloth, CCBS armor shells, system pieces, and other stuff to give us a pretty accurate version of this iconic character. I mean, the mask is just the perfect finishing touch. Now, yes, there are many different designs for Dr. Doom's mask, so this isn't exactly like a one-to-one fit. But it's the vibes, man, it's all about the vibes, they feel so similar. I kinda love it. The green flames aren't really something you see on Doom, but I don't know, somehow it works. If you need a face for your next evil character, I recommend this mask. And the beautiful thing is it comes in so many different colors. From a reasonably exclusive poly bag to pretty common masks. There's many different ways that you can get your hands on this piece. Okay, number 4. One of the best masks from this generation. What is it? The Protector masks, that's what it is. Dude, these come in so many different colors, it's the best. Yeah, okay, maybe you could have made the argument that it might have been nice to see different masks on each Protector. Fair enough. But I like the fact that we got the same thing in so many different colors. It felt like the glory days of early G1 Bionicle. You know, you got those mask pack sets, they were the best. You get masks in essentially every color, there's so much variety, so much room for customization. It was a dream for people who build MOCs. So many options. And this doesn't give you the same amount of variety, but it's not far off. And the mask itself looks sick. These 2 lines flaring backwards, the stunning marbled colors, and being able to have a little bit of a peek at the face underneath the mask. Wow, this is dope. Probably my favorite Protector mask though has to be Akimu's mask in that lovely gold and trans blue. Akimu wears it so well. I don't know, it feels regal, it feels special. But check out how it's used here. This creation is built by Roia Builds. So we've got some for some pretty sweet shoulder pads, and some on the hands. I like it, it gives a bit of a fun effect, making it look like energy is coursing through the hands, the shoulders, the whole body. And look at how well they partner with other pieces that share the same colors. All of this creates such a sensational flow between all the different sections. You know, it bridges colors in quite elegant ways. It creates a nice sense of cohesion and unity. Some nice thinking. My 3rd favorite Bionicle G2 mask? Well, you better believe it. I'm giving it to the legend himself, Tahu. I think this mask really encapsulates the reason that I love G2 so much. It honors G1 Bionicle, but at the same time, it has its own personality. It takes things in a new, exciting direction. Because hey, let's compare this to the original mask for G1 Tahu. There's so many similarities, and so many differences. The new, sharper line style, the harder edges, they look amazing. Yeah, it's the same, but it's different. This strikes such a beautiful balance of old and new, and I love it. And I love the way that Jim Cremastis has used them here for shoulder pads. Putting masks on shoulders is always a surefire way to make something brilliant. This is great. Number 2, time to get serious. We've got a real special mask in this slot. It's a mask that appears in Umarak the Hunter. No, not his mask, the bonus mask. This set also comes with the Mask of Control. It's so sick with its runic markings, 2 horns, an evil feeling that it just gives off. This is a work of art. It feels so legendary. But LEGO builder Tony A, he uses it in quite a surprising way, flipping the mask upside down. Well, turns out it still looks just as good as a face. It might even look a little better. The original mouth now becomes a kind of crown. The horns also become a crown. And then what was originally the forehead now becomes a faceplate. It's so shocking, it's so mind-blowing that you can flip this upside down and totally change the way it looks. And the fact that both sides make for a really, really good face. Who would have thought? I don't know, to me, that is the sign of an incredible mask. A hidden feature, multiple ways that you can use it. That right there is peak. Although this is probably the actual example of peak. Our final G2 mask, well, it's the best mask from all these sets. You gotta give it to the Mask of Creation. This mask was always front and center in all G2 marketing. We got it in 2 gorgeous colors. And it was one of the first visuals that leaked back in the day when G2 Bionicle was still a rumor and people weren't sure if it was even real. But then I remember it, images of this popped up and people were like, oh my god, it's happening. When I look at this mask, I just associate it with that hype, that excitement. When I think of G2 Bionicle, I think of this. And my word, it's so pretty. More runes, more symbols, a beautiful crown on top. And it just looks legendary, it just looks grand. I challenge you to find a better mask than this. How can it be used? Well, Eclipse Caller finds ways to enhance it even further, using the claws from Brutaka to add even more horns and spikes and crown details, adding in a faceplate underneath the mouth. This armor piece comes from more G2 Bionicle sets. It's a great, great element. Yeah, a few nice touches make this even more excellent. And it was already pretty excellent to begin with. Heck yeah! And that, everyone, is the 5 best G2 masks. And a few ways that you can use them. Hopefully this gives you a few ideas for your next creation. But if you need more ideas, check the links below. Go and see more creations from all of these builders. So I've been doing a lot of these top 5, top 10 videos. Are there any other topics that you want to see? If you have suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy building, and bye for now. Shout out to the original Gully Master's mask. That's another banger.